Minister abashendekerezi b'omuhandiki w'entura o Ministry y'obuhingi Major General Kasula Chomukama hamwe n'omujwekero wa Uganda omuri United Arab Emirates. Project egi neija kumaraho sente zirikwingana miliyoni 200 za Amerika kandi enganzi n'abanja aina amasikongo ekintu kiija kutunguura obuhingi n'oburiisa omu Uganda.
I have witnessed the memorandum of understanding between Reform Company of UAE and the government of Uganda, with, represented by the Ministry of Agriculture. So on behalf of the President, I've been able to witness this milestone where we have a company that is going to manufacture fertilizers from our company. You are aware that under PDM, we need fertilizers like yesterday.
I want to thank the President and the Prime Minister for encouraging investors to come and set up a fertilizer factory in our country. Our fertilizer usage is still very low, and with climate change, our soils are getting depleted, and therefore farmers need to have access to effective and affordable inputs. One of them is fertilizer. So I'm happy that I was able to sign a memorandum of understanding with the UAE company that will be able to come and manufacture fertilizer in Uganda.
Hona nabwo tukiri mu United Arab Emirates, Minister w'amataka no kutunguura endembo Judith Nabakoba yazwekera Uganda omu kuganiro kw'endembo zine kutunguka.
We are also now looking at disaster risk management in cities and urban areas. These are seasons where we see flooding, we see pollution, we see so many things taking place in the cities which used not to happen before. So we are looking at building a whole of intervention approach whereby all stakeholders, multi-sectoral approach, sit on the table and agree on how to mitigate effects of flooding.
Minister Nabakoba najanga abarukutura mu ndembo bine kumanya emiringo ebine kukora okurwanisa empinduka y'obwire. Gasha kwa Ismail Kashoha.